This is a giant pot of lobsters and it's reduced overnight to make my favorite pasta dish in Las Vegas. They take high quality sea urchin to make uni butter and it's a flavor bomb. It's combined with garlic brown butter, cream, and lobster stock to make this uni pasta. They top it off with Santa Barbara uni and this dish is phenomenal. This place will change your standard of eating sushi. They specialize in fresh sashimi like Spanish mackerel or otoro. Their version of the bluefin tuna belly is smoked and served with fresh wasabi and house-made soy sauce. Fish for the specialty sashimi and no rice rolls are sliced to order, and the sauces are so flavorful that you won't be able to go back to an all-you-can-eat spot. Even the familiar sushi rolls, they light on fire. There's marinated short rib and grilled skewers on the menu, and there's cocktails or sake and whiskey flights that are perfect for pre-gaming or girls' night out. This is Taru and it's located in Las Vegas's Chinatown.